Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another quick tip for entertainers. This particular episode is thrift store briefcases. That's right. If you go to your local thrift store, you can find all sorts of good stuff, including a Samsonite briefcase. Look at that. You can get this briefcase for $5. Brand new. It even had the keys inside. I also found, in addition to the Samsonite, I found this one here, and I forgot the name. Oh, it's a Starlight. This is pretty cool. This was $3.88 at the local thrift store. And the neat thing with this one is it has a trap door. And I'm going to use that in another video. But that's it. If you need a way to store your props, if you need a way to take them to an event, if you need a way to perform out of something that can be handy, that's it. The quick tip for entertainers is buy a $5 briefcase. There it is. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, thanks for coming. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for any updates for future videos. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.